In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto reframe inside CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up CapCut. And now from here, I'm just going to import a new video, new project. So I'm going to click on new project. Then from here, I'm going to click on import. And now I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to use just a random video inside my downloads, so I might use this one here. Now I'm going to drag this into my timeline, and now in order to use CapCut's auto reframe, what you need to do is click on the video, and now on the right hand side here you got a box and it's got video, so make sure in the video basic tab. And now if we scroll down, there'll be an option called auto reframe. It is a pro feature inside CapCut, so you will need CapCut Pro. I will leave a link in the description below where you can try CapCut Pro on a free 7-day trial. So click on auto reframe, click the tick box, and now with reframe, click on reframe, so it will say original ratio, and now just choose what type of aspect ratio you want to change it to. So if you want to do 16:9, 4:3, if you want to do 9:16, which is popular for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, etc. So if I want to reframe it to use on TikTok, for example, and click 9:16, and it's going to auto reframe for you. And now to apply it, just go ahead and click on apply and export your video. If you want to add an image stabilization, go ahead and click on where it says normal. You can do flexible, stable, or normal. So if we go stable, or if you want flexible, and camera moving speed, you can change this to fast, normal, and slow. So if I want a faster video, I can do so. Then click apply and then click export. When you export it, make sure to always export in the highest quality possible as well.